Coffee has become so incredibly popular around the world that we thought we'd show you a few unique coffee vans to inspire you to create your own. And when it comes to unique, just have a look at this unusual vehicle. The thing I love about it is that it's so eye-catching that it's sure to draw a crowd. It's got everything you need on the back, even an umbrella for shade. Looks like an iced coconut latte is the customer's order, perfect for a hot day. A great feature of this van setup is that it doesn't need much electricity. The barista uses a manual espresso press for extraction. Very clever. When it comes to cool-looking vans, they don't get much cooler than this. The VW Combi van is so retro and cool, it's off the charts. I've got an idea this van is a 1972 T2 model, and he's got the entire cafe setup on the back. Something else I noticed, it looks like they roast their own beans. That's awesome. I think his van operates somewhere in Switzerland. Let us know in the comments if you've seen it. Something I love about the coffee van business is the sense of community it creates on a street corner. The ingenuity of people always amazes me. Here's a guy who's converted a Toyota Hiace into a coffee van. So clever. It just goes to show that if you're on a budget, you can take almost any vehicle and make a business out of it. Looking for a cool and unique coffee van for your next function? How about this Citroen van conversion by Melbourne company, Big Shot Cafe and Bar? Looks like latte margaritas all round. Not only does the van provide great coffees for your guests, but it also photographs so well. Just what you need for a wedding. So you don't have a car, but you do have a Vespa. What do? You turn it into a coffee scooter, of course. Wow, how cool is this? You take a few minutes to set up, and before long, you're selling lattes to the morning joggers. Can't say I've ever had orange juice and coffee together. Next time I'm in Thailand, I'll have to give it a try. When you think of a smart car, you don't usually think it has the room for a coffee setup. But you'd be wrong. In fact, the humble smart car is a popular choice for a coffee station. If the weather's good, this eye-catching car could give your business the exposure it needs. This guy's coffee machine actually works off an app on your phone. If you own a smart car coffee van, you'll never have to worry about small parking spaces again. Here's a coffee tuk-tuk. The sides of the back fold up and double as advertising boards. As you can see, the setup is really simple, which I love. That's a very clever use of space. We haven't got time to do any more, so let's just run through a few ideas to stir your imagination. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.